Okay, now I'm going to show you what I've already built, right? I've used the same template and I've built a page for myself. It's taken me a couple hours or at least an hour and a half, right? And I've built this page out, right? So this is a Sales Navigator course, right? And I'll show you the page because what's there to hide, right? So I've divided the page into sections. I've edited that template. I've added feedback. I've added buttons, call to action, right? And one thing that's left for me to add is I told you I'm working on a video, right? So I will add a video and then the sales page will be ready, right? So I'll probably add a video here, right? In fact, right below the image, right? So this is the sales page that I've built. These are all relevant call to action, and I've edited the same template that I showed you in the last video. I've edited that and I've used it. So all of these buttons, they direct the user to the next step. What is the next step? I'll show you. But all of these buttons, right, they direct the user to the next step, right? So I'll show you what the next step is. The next step is the order form. So let's go to order form and I'm going to go into edit page. So now this is the order form that I've also taken the time to build, right? So this order form also was a template that I edited, right? So it has a lot of templates that you can choose from, and I chose the one that I would require the minimum editing for, and this is the one. So I've added an image here, I've added a title, I've added the price, I've added a form. Actually, this form was already here and I just, tweaked it a little bit, right? And then, I've added a video, right? So this is a video that I've added. And then I've added feedback here as well. And one thing that's left for me to add is I would select bulleted list. I would add an FAQ section here, right? So I'll add an FAQ section here in this list. But right now, I'm not going to do that because it's going to take me some time to brainstorm questions and then come up with answers for those questions. But I'm just telling you that this is the form that I've built, right? So it's the same way that you've built out a sales page, right? Everything is the same. The editor is the same. The elements are the same. The usage is the same. The only difference here is that there's a contact information. So this contact information comes with every template that you select, right? So in any template that you select, this contact information will be there. You can select that you don't want a specific input, but usually all of these inputs are in every template. So now I'm going to go and delete this. In fact, I'll just go and exit. No, don't save. And then I want to show you the thank you page, right? So these are all actual pages that I'm building, right? So this is the thank you page. It's very simple, right? So right after this page, they get directed to the course, right? So this is the page that shows up right after payment, and then they move directly to the course, right? So this is the page. It's very simple. It has a thumbnail. It has, a title, a heading, congrats, you've prevailed, or you can change it to your liking. And then there's this, single liner message, and then directly they jump into the course.